Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to use TikTok Voice Changer. To start this tutorial, open and locate your TikTok application in your mobile device. Once you are on your TikTok, this time, we will now be looking for a video that we can edit. This could be coming from our gallery or something that you have downloaded. As an example, we can use this. Now to start, we will now click on Edit. Once we do that, we can now add effects or audio effects, which is Voice Changer. As an example, in here, you can go ahead and choose whatever design or whatever audio effect you want to add to your video. As you can see, I just tried the echo option. I even tried the mic option or the chipmunk. This could be anything that you want it to be. And that's it. Once you're satisfied, just save the audio and then you can go ahead and share it to your own timeline. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.